Welcome back, everyone. Thank you again for visiting the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be doing a custom Air Force One. The theme of the shoe is going to be Stitch. Haven't done one of these before, but I really hope you guys enjoy. Before we get started in that video, I just want to remind everyone of the giveaway. The winner will be announced on February 28th. That's a Friday. To enter the giveaway, all you got to do is go to the previous video and like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below the emoji that I posted in the video. Once you do that, you're entered in the giveaway. All you have to do is do those steps and you're in. Free table, free custom table. That's all I'm gonna say. If you haven't seen it yet, visit the last video. Let's get started.